Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be working on a Toyota Tacoma. We're gonna be removing the gas tank. First, we're gonna put the back of the vehicle on a portable vehicle ramp, and we're gonna be placing wheel wedges in front of the front tires and in the back of the front tires. The fuel tank is located on the driver's side under the vehicle. We are going to open up the gas tank to release pressure from the fuel tank and the fuel lines. We have to remove the gas tank filler pipe from the filler housing by removing this bolt using a 12mm socket. We are going to use two jack stands to support the fuel tank skid plate for a smooth removal. To remove the skid plate, we have to remove these bolts and these bolts using a 12mm socket. Now we are going to lower both jack stands to remove the skid plate. Use the jack stands to support the gas tank. Remove this bolt to release the gas tank support belt and the fuel line holder. Disconnect these two hoses from the charcoal canister. Disconnect the fuel pump connector. Disconnect these hoses. Remove the gas tank. Installation is the reversal of the removal. Support me. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.